How to use a fire extinguisher. Anyone who is likely to have to use firefighting equipment should be trained in its use and in basic firefighting techniques. It is also essential that the right type of extinguisher is used for the fire. Fire extinguishers should not be used by people who have not been trained. Before tackling a fire with a fire extinguisher, make sure you or someone else has raised the fire alarm and that you have a safe evacuation route. 1. Pull. Pull the pin, this will break the tamper seal. 2. Aim. Aim low, pointing the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. Do not touch the horn, nozzle on a CO2 extinguisher, it gets very cold and can damage the skin. 3. Squeeze. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. 4. Sweep. Sweep from side to side at the base of the fire, the fuel source, until the fire is out. If you cannot put out the fire or if the extinguisher becomes empty, evacuate yourself and everyone in the building immediately, closing all doors behind you as you go and ensure the fire brigade has been called. If there is the slightest doubt or uncertainty about tackling the fire, evacuate the building immediately and call the fire brigade.